Okay, in this video I'm going to describe how to put one of these new ENM sold branded as a Honda tachometer and hour meter. You're going to need three tools. You're going to need a pair of dikes, a little pair of pliers to tighten up the zip tie, what they call the safety device, and an 8mm nut driver. It's pretty simple. You take a quarter, and you need a quarter, that's one of your tools. You take a quarter and you undo that screw right there. That'll give you access to where you mount it. And then you undo that panel right here. This is the spark plug panel. Once that's undone, you'll have access to, you're going to put the little clip on this spark plug wire. So you take your little quarter, turn this guy enough times. After you turn it a few times, I just take my thumbnail and spin it. It's a nice little plastic nut, doesn't need to be tightened real tight. And then we're going to remove these two 8mm screws because we bought this custom bracket that was found on the internet. Stainless steel, pretty clean looking, a little overkill, but we like overkill. So we're going to unloosen these. These guys are pretty tight. I'm using a nut driver so that they're only 8mm. I don't want to over tighten them. This is where your bracket goes. The instructions say, some people that mount it to the outside, then you've got a loose wire on the outside and possibly can get damaged. If you're like us, you throw these in the backs of trucks and stuff, and then sometimes people aren't aware, but they lay stuff against it. So then we're going to put the bracket, not like that, but you turn it around like that, and then that's going to give us a place to mount with the double stick tape. Put your little nuts back on. Give them a little tighten up. So now you've got to take your little clip, looks like, where is it? Right there. You got to fish it through. Sorry if I'm making you sick. You got to fish it through the other side here. Try to balance the camera so you can see the fishing. Okay. So we're just going to straighten the wire out. Fish it through the top here. Once you see it on this side, you can grab it, pull it through, and there it is. Once you fish it through, I'm going to clip it onto the spark plug wire. Just uses a little bit of pressure. There you go. Now, they call this part a tamper resistant tie. Basically, it's just a little zip tie. And put it around here. And then nobody will be able to take it off unless you have a pair of cutters. If you have a pair of cutters, you can take it off. I don't know anybody that carries cutters with them, but I don't know, maybe somebody does. So it's kind of awkward to get it on there. Put two little bends in it. Hopefully that'll make it easier. There it is. And then once you get it